Kumusta sa atong mga kababayan, mga higala o mga Davaoenos? Basi nangita mo og pagkakitaan online aron do na kay extra income para makatabang sa imong family pero dili ka sure kung unsaon or asa? Ako di ay si Maricho. Ako kanang nagpuyo sa Michigan, USA, originally from the Philippines. Bisaya o kumausad mo Davaoeno. From healthcare worker, caregiver, and I used to work 3 jobs. Now, I'm proud to say, I am an online digital business owner. Mauni ang akong few reasons why I took this chance. As a healthcare worker, caregiver, always exhausted physically and mentally. Wala ako'y time sa akong family. Always ko work every day for 15 years. With 3 jobs, never around with my family. I miss almost 15 years of my son growing up. I miss all the fun and gatherings sa akong family and things that we love of doing as a family. I'm proud to say, I'm glad I went all in. Karon wala na akong work sa akong other 2 jobs. Kay kining akong side hustle, dako ang tabang sa ako financially and quality time sa akong family. Kani nga online opportunity, bisan wala kay background sa business or any idea unsaon pagpadagan sa negosyo, kay ang system tudluan ka. Dunay step by step training, dunay unlimited coaching and mentoring. Coach and mentor assign nimo one-on-one. Run it anywhere you want, when you want. Do it with your time. Dili ta mamaligya diri og mangdisturbo sa atong family and friends. Pwede part-time and full-time. Portable and flexible sad ni siya sa imo lang kinahanglan, cellphone and laptop. 90% is automation ang gamit diri. Pasabot bisan asa ka in the world, as long as connected and plugged in ka sa system, you will earn as you go. Proud ko kaayo diri kay nakatabang ko sa atong mga kababayan all over the world to mentor them and set up sa ilang online business. Kung nakarelate ka sa akong story, try lang nimo. Who knows, basin makatabang sad ni sa imo to change your life and your family because it does to me financially. Hopefully makatabang sad ko to others. Ang pag-register diri free. Imo lang i-check ang business kung para sa imo or dili. So click lang nimo ang learn button aron ma-send nako ang free information sa business. And after, you have to decide later, okay? Best of luck, and I can't wait to see you on inside. Hopefully magkita-kita ta.